Okay, first of all, we can just rotate rectangle in here and click from this point to this another position around uh, 14 around 14 meter and move it to the behind around 10 meter. Okay, then we can click this surface and push it up 1 meter in here, triple click and make component and create. Okay, and then we can select a move and click this point and place it to position. Then we can move it up 4 meter in here and again. Okay, and okay, I think that's one. Okay, 3-story in here. Okay, and after that we can make the rotate rectangle in here. Click from this point to this another position around 900 and 900 again for the column dimension, or I mean it's too large, so we have to scale it to be more smaller than before. Can triple click and select move, place to the position. Then we can right click and make component and create. Then we can select move, tap control and place to the position in here. Then we can type to slash and enter in here. Okay, then we can select all these columns, select move, tap control and place, type to slash and enter in here. Okay, we need to learn about the design. We can learn about the design, that there is a simple compact and design, and then we can make the elements. We can make the elements with using the rectangle. Click from this point to this point, then we can double click this surface and push it down until to the position in here. Then we can triple click and also make group. Okay, and then we can triple click and click and right click and erase, click and right click and erase in here. Okay, we can select the vertical line. We can select the vertical line and then we can select move, tap control, click from this position and then to this position. Then we can type 6 slash and enter in here. Then we can click this vertical line, and then we can select move, tap control and place to the position. Then we can type 5 slash and enter in here. Okay, we can select this outline and select move. Okay, we can click and place to the position. Then we can type 8 slash and enter in here. Okay, then we can triple click and select extension and lattice maker, and we can select the glass. We can select a gray. Okay, we just wait about the calculation. Okay, but it still have distraction in here, so we have to rearrange again, or okay, we can select all and move it to the another side around 200 millimeter, and in here, okay, we can adjust this one, move it to the another side 200 millimeter in here, and again, and move it again 200 millimeter in here. Okay, then we can triple click all and select extension, lattice maker, and okay, select a grass gray in here. So we can just wait about the calculation and design result like this. Okay, right now we can make the another variation of it. We can select this one. Okay, we can push it to the another side 300 millimeter. 600 millimeter. 600 millimeter and place. 600 millimeter. We can select move, tap control and place to the position, then you can push it down until to that position in here, and to this position in here. So we can push it another side in here again. We can make this one. Now we can select the endpoint in here. Okay, we just make this one, and you can select move, tap control and place it the another position. Then you can make the diagonal line in here and make the diagonal line in here. Okay, then we can triple click and make group. Okay, then we can push it to this another position, and also this one push it to this another position in here. Okay, and then we can click the surface. Okay, just like this. We can select move, tap control and place, type 9/n enter in here. Click, select move, tap control and place, type 9/n enter in here. Okay, we can draw the line in here. We can draw the line to make a module. This is just schematic module anyway. This is just schematic module. We can select this one, select this one, select move, tap control and place the position. Then we can type 12/n enter in here. Okay, then now we can delete another unnecessary line. Okay, we can delete the unnecessary line. Okay, this one. Okay, now we can assign about the color materials with this one, with this color materials, and then we can assign the glazing in here. Okay, just like this. Then we can select the rectangle in here, triple click, make group. Okay, now we can select the rectangle in here. Okay, now we can select the landscaping. Okay, we can select move, tap control and place to the position in here. Again. Okay, just like this, simple. And now we can assign about the silhouette people in here and also in here. Okay, we can select move. Okay, you can explore more about the another element like a canopy and also the entrance design. I mean that one. Okay, thank you for watching and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.